Welcome to the Explainer. Let's build a rock-solid study plan to seriously level up your data skills.
Our goal? We're taking you from basic textbook tutorials straight to boardroom-ready analysis. Let's do this.
We'll tackle foundational modeling first, dive deep into advanced DAX, and finish up with strategic leadership.
Phase 1 is data modeling. Think of this as the architectural bedrock for your entire analysis.
A standard star schema is your blueprint. It beautifully organizes all that raw data for maximum efficiency. You really got to master relationships, seamlessly linking your transaction facts to those descriptive dimension tables.
Power BI compresses columns, right? So ditching highly unique data, like exact timestamps, totally maximizes performance.
Okay, so your foundation is rock solid, but how do we actually measure the data now?
Phase 2, advanced DAX. This is the math logic driving real business impact and strategic insight.
Pro analysts know exactly when to use memory-heavy static columns versus those flexible, context-aware dynamic measures. The DAX mastery curve definitely steepens, moving from basic aggregations right up to complex row-by-row iterators.
Mastering filter context is a game changer. It lets you precisely control data for complex percentage calculations.
Phase 3, creating output. We tie your robust model and DAX engine together for dynamic KPIs. Use time intelligence functions to instantly calculate year-over-year growth. Perfect for quick, immediate performance comparisons. Or you can build retention metrics to accurately visualize the lifetime value of different customer segments. On the flip side, effectively tracking churn rates reveals exactly how many customers you're actually losing. You can even evaluate moving averages using iterators. This instantly smooths out highly erratic sales trends. The ultimate test, though, defending your DAX logic and structural choices in a high-stakes boardroom. Always remember, Power BI is just the tool. Your analytical mind is the actual strategic asset. So, are you finally ready to step up and drive real data-informed change in your organization?